my new mystery. Awesome. And, yep, all rights reserved, yada yada. Dedication, that's the important bit. Make sure the people that contributed get a thank you. That's interesting. It's thicker than I thought it would be. I didn't think this was that much longer than any of the other mysteries I've written, but apparently it is, which is cool. I guess. Get your money's worth. There's the contact stuff. There's the first two books are on the Musgrave Landing series, which is cool. This is an Adam Norcross, the first book. I'm already working on the second one. I got the outline done for the second one. This one takes place in BC, on Vancouver Island. The second one's going to take place in Saskatchewan. And, yeah, it's kind of fun. Interesting. And there's going to be a celebration.